In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see and find archived cards in Trello. Whether you're looking to revisit an old task or restore some previous work, knowing how to access your archived cards quickly and efficiently is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Trello.com. This is your central hub for all things Trello. Once you're on the home page, locate and click the login button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. You have two options here. You can either input your email and password directly, or take advantage of the Google account login for added convenience. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the boards page of Trello. Next, head over to the Your Workspaces area. This is where all your boards are organized, giving you a clear view of your different projects and tasks. From here, choose the board you're interested in exploring. Clicking on this board will open it up for you, unlocking a comprehensive view of your lists and cards. Now, your next step is to reveal the menu. To do this, click on the three little dots you'll find on the right side of the screen. This is your gateway to more options, including the ones we're focusing on today. Once the menu is expanded, select Archived Items. This is the place where all your archived cards are stored, waiting to be accessed or restored. Once you've selected Archived Items, you'll see a list of cards that were previously archived. Navigate through this list or search for a specific card you wish to view. For this example, find and click on Project 1 to delve into the details of this specific archived card. Now, if you decide that you want to bring this card back into action, you can easily do so. Look for the Send to Board option and click on it. This action will restore the card to its original list on your Trello board, making it active and visible to you and your team once more. Once you've completed restoring or viewing your archived content, you may want to tidy up by closing the menu. Simply click the option to exit or close the menu, and you can go back to your board in its restored state. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily access and manage your archived cards in Trello. This process helps you keep track of past tasks while allowing you to revisit or reactivate them whenever needed. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll continue to harness Trello's powerful features to keep your projects organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.